Assalamu alaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe we are going to prepare is Achari Channa Pulao or a pickled chickpeas pulao, which we will make in traditional degi style. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pan and then add ghee or a clarified butter to the pan and then add onions. Then fry it very well and keep mixing until the onion turns brown in color and then add the water of boiled chickpeas to it. After adding water, mix it very well again so that the cooking process is slow down or the color of the onions comes out. And then at the same time add tomato slices, green chilies, ginger, bay leaves, black peppercorns, star anise, black cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, cloves and a cumin seed and then mix it very well so that all the ingredients are well combined. Then add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder or a chili flakes and then mix it very well. And then add boiled chickpeas in it and mix it very well again. After mixing for a minute, then add 4 cups of remaining boiled chickpeas water and then cover and cook until water starts boiling. As soon as the water starts boiling, then remove the lid and mix it well. And then add 1 kg of soaked rice in it and then mix it very well and cover and cook until the water dries up. When the rice cook little or if some moisture remains, then remove the lid and then mix well. And keep drying the remaining moisture. Then mix it well again and then add 2 spoons of pickle on the top and also sprinkle the pinch of yellow food color or a zarda color. Then cover again with the damp cloth or put it on a low flame for about 5 minutes or until it's done. So then remove the lid after 5 minutes. So then stir again with very light hands. So then you can serve and enjoy with mint raita and raita of your choice. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.